Hi everyone, I'm Rishabh, and today we are going to discuss about how to use background removal in Bagisto. As you all know that background removal is quite very important when it's come to uploading an image into that product. So if you want to remove any type of background, it is quite difficult to edit each and every image. And this AI, you can directly click onto that product and automatically a background get removed, so that we will discuss in this coming video. So this is the official admin panel of our Bagisto, and for implement that background removal feature you have to go inside the configure. After clicking on to configure, there is an option of magic AI presented over here. After clicking on to that, you will able to see all the configurations have been presented over here. So we are going to navigate where the background removal is. So here comes the background removal. You need to enter a LLM API host and a token as well. So that LLM API host and token we will provide it to you while installing the extension. So after this, you have to click onto the save configuration button, and now we are going to check how that background removal works. So go into that catalog products. We are going to upload image of a product and we will remove a background image of that product. So from here we can upload a image. So I am choosing one image like this short one, and alright. So by clicking onto this remove background, see, automatically a background gets removed. This is not accessed because we have used a different type of extension image. So we will support PNG, JPG and JPEG format. Also you can search more shorts. So this is the same. Again I am removing this. So by this you can use a background removal inside Bagisto. So this is all about it, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Thank you.